Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my makeup review series. Today I'm trying out a product from one of my favorite makeup brands, Makiage, and I have here the Lip Service High Shine Lip Glaze, which I got in the shade PDA 574. So I love a lip gloss, so I'm really excited to try this out. Especially a lip gloss that's in a nice color. Ooh, and this is such nice packaging. It's heavy. It seems like a high-end luxurious lip gloss, which I suppose it should because this is a $27 lip gloss, but it comes in a bunch of other shades. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like and what the applicator is like. So it's like a rounded paddle applicator. Now, of course, I have to do the scent test. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I would describe the smell as white chocolate, like a very sweet, delicious scent. I'm like actually kind of drooling at this scent. Oh, and I love when my lip products have a nice, sweet smell to them. It's just such a nostalgic thing to me. And okay, now the next thing I must do is swatch it. Oh my gosh, that shine is immediately like the first thing I notice with this. It is such high shine. I don't even know how they do that. But this color too seems perfect for me. A nice neutrally peachy pink, which I'm thinking is going to be pretty flattering, easy to wear, exactly what I would want if I chose this on my own. I did get this in a beauty subscription, but I would probably choose the shade PDA if I was buying this on my own. So now let's go ahead and see how it looks on my lips. Oh, yes, I love the color. And it's pretty easy to get a nice precise shape with this applicator. Oh, and it has such a nice texture. It's thick, slippy, but not at all sticky. Oh, that looks so nice and enhancing on the lips. Super moisturizing. It smoothed out the lines in my lips. Just so flattering. Exactly what I would want in a lip product. Something that is easy to wear, easy to apply, and looks really like a flawless lip gloss. Wow. From the color to the texture, the shine, the feel, I have no complaints. I think this is a great go-to lip gloss for me. I think the color is flattering for even like a glammed up look to a more casual minimal look like I pretty much have today. I definitely don't think you have to spend this much money to get this effect as a lip gloss. And if you are going to spend this much money on a lip gloss, at least you are going to get a perfect lip gloss in my opinion. But let me know in the comments down below, what is your opinion on the Makiage Lip Service High Shine Lip Glaze? And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.